Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change WhatsApp ringtone using your own music on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, customizing your WhatsApp ringtone with your favorite music or a unique sound can help make your device feel more personal and reflective of your tastes. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, launch the WhatsApp application and then navigate to the top right corner and tap on the third dot menu icon. From there, select Settings and then choose the Notifications option. Once you are in the notification settings, scroll down until you find the ringtone option. And then to personalize your notification sound, tap on ringtone and proceed to select Add ringtone if you wish to use your own custom sound. Okay, following that, tap on the three lines located in the top left corner and select Audio to browse through your device audio files. Once you have located the desired music file, tap on it to select it. After that, you can utilize the selected music as your WhatsApp notification sound. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change WhatsApp ringtone using your own music on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.